Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Heidi, and on this video I want to talk about this moisturizer. This is the First Aid Ultra Repair Cream, and this is in the jumbo size, a tube, and this is a 8.0 ounces of product in here. And for 8 ounces of product, it retails for $44 at Ulta. I purchased this from Ulta because I haven't seen Sephora selling this big tube like this in Sephora. So yeah, I picked this up because the smaller size of this cream, they sell it like in jars, and I don't know, I feel that the tube is much better and also a little bit more affordable because you're getting a lot of product, and it's not like the jar where you have to stick your finger in there to get the product out. It's just a lot more sanitized this way. But yeah, I picked this up and it says that it's intense hydration. It claims also to help hydration, to help with itchiness, with eczema, and it's paraben free. It is also fragrance free, and it has colloid oatmeal, which is good to protect and hydrate the skin. So I picked this up mainly because I got like a sample size from Sephora and I really enjoyed it, mainly on my hands because my hands get really dry, especially I have one patch of that tends to break out with eczema, and I noticed that with using this cream it really helped with that. Like it really did an amazing job in like calming down and really treating the eczema on my finger. And that's the main reason why I purchased this. Also because not only is it good for your hands or your body, but it's also good for your face. It's like so multi-purpose, and that's another reason why I purchased it. And after using it not only on my body but also on my face, I really have fallen in love with this product. Like it's so good, and especially with the tube, I don't think I would, ever go without it because it's so good. It treats eczema really good, and it's fragrance free. It's so easy. It's really, really moisturizing. Let me take a little bit out so you guys can see. But this is the consistency. As you guys can see, it's pretty, as you guys can see, is pretty thick. It's thick, and it's thick cream, and it's very moisturizing. You can actually feel it moisturizing your skin. It doesn't leave like a greasy feeling on your skin. It just makes your skin feel nice and soft and moisturized. So that's what I love about this. And yeah, right now I've mainly been using this as my face moisturizer and also for my hands. Not so much for my body because I like to use the CeraVe cream for my body. I highly recommend this. It doesn't break me out. It doesn't irritate my skin. It's really easy to apply. And even though it is really hydrating and thick and stuff, it doesn't break me out. It's like leaves my skin on my face really nice and soft. And I absolutely love that. This has become one of my new favorites in my skincare collection. So I just mentioned all the good qualities of this product. I was trying to think of any cons. I really cannot think of any cons. Maybe if I had to be picky would be the price, but then again, the ingredients are so good, and the product has been so good on my skin that I think it's worth the price. But if anybody out there is curious on how this cream might work on your skin, a good thing to do is probably get like a sample. Try to get a sample at Sephora, or a lot of times Sephora tends to have like their rewards, and they'll have like little like reward sample size. Let me see if I have one here. So yeah, Sephora oftentimes have these little like they have like these little travel size. Sometimes they have it like around the like sample size in the lines where they have all the little goodies before you check out. They'll have like these little sample size of the first aid, you know. This is a good way to try it if you don't want to, you know, commit to a full size product. You know, get the little one to try it out and see if you like it or not. And that's what I did. Like, I got this from the Sephora's reward, and I actually got two. This one is the second one that I have, and I like to keep this one in my purse and you know, moisturize my hands throughout the day. But yeah, when I got this one, I really loved it that I ended up going to Ulta and getting the big tube, the jumbo tube. They call this the jumbo tube, and I went to Ulta because they don't have this in Sephora, or at least I haven't seen it. I only seen the jar at Sephora. But I would advise to, if you try this and you love it, just go ahead and save yourself the headache and get this tube at Ulta. It retails for $44 right now, and I think that's a really good price for all this product in a tube. With this tube, I also think it's safe for travel, like a lot more travel friendly. I just wanted to stop by, talk about this amazing moisturizer that I have fallen in love lately, and share it with you guys. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye!